Oh yeah, it's good to watch the news. Wait, guys. I'm gonna go upstairs. Let's use my computer and buy something online. There we go. What should I buy? Oh man, I want an iPhone. My new phone. These are expensive. Oh man. Let's go buy it online. Oh man. What is that? Error. Error? Error. 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 Same account launched. OS on PC. Please turn off your PC now. Let's ask somebody. Oh man. Hey guys. What? Somebody hacking my PC account. Oh no! Wait guys, do you want to go to the puppet's house? Sure. Yeah, sure. Rook on Grooky, yeah. Meow. Oh man. Billy sleeping in my room. I'm gonna wake him up. Billy, are you here? Woof. Yeah. And you want to go to the puppet's house? Do you want to visit? Sure. Woof woof. All right. You can play with my cat. Who's your cat? Spragatito. It's the leaf type Pokemon. That's cool. Oh man, let's watch the performance. Oh man, the performance isn't runs on that TV. Oh yeah, Brookhaven Studio records. Alright guys, I gotta spawn my car. Guys, I'm gonna buy a new car. Because my car is way broken. What? The tire? The tire? Yeah, it's gonna fall down almost. First, we gotta go buy a new car. Alright, but what happened to your car? My tire gonna fall off. Oh my god. We're going to the auto shop because my car is broken. There we go. There's the auto shop. Oh my goodness. Hello. Me and my dog. Oh. Why is dog so loud? His name is Billy. He was born yesterday. Oh yeah? Yeah. My tire is gonna fall off, so I need a new car. Alright. You come here. Alright. Time to go up. Alright, it's gonna go down. Alright. Who are you? I'm Lilypad. I'm the driver of this car. Alright. Look, there's so much car they have. Nice. Well, do you want a new car? Sure. No. Check this out. Why is it locked? Oh man, this door went locked because the key is inside because I cannot unlock it. Yeah, the key out of order. Alright. You wanna come with me? Sure. Alright. Do you wanna spawn a new car? Sure. Rebel a Jeep. Okay. Now enjoy your car. Alright. Thank you. You're welcome. You got a Jeep, Lilypad? Yeah, I got a Jeep. And let's go pick them up. Yeah, but where are we going? Right, Dad? We're gonna go. The concert? No, they don't have a concert. Oh yeah, it's on the summer carnival. Carnival? What do you mean? Aha! They're here. Hi, Hand Puppet. Oh guys, we have a party. We have a party. Woohoo! I'm gonna spawn my Jeep now. Alright guys, it's time to party. Oh my goodness. Oh look, there's a TV. Oh look, they have surround speakers. Yeah. You wanna watch? Sure. Do you wanna watch the news? Yeah. Oh, the Bobcat mascot. Yeah. Oh look, they have beds. Yeah, we're in Brookhaven. You're right, we're in Brookhaven. Yeah, we're in Brookhaven. Oh look, it has basement. Yeah, it has basement. Look. Whoa, look at this. Oh, it's gonna be must be our bedroom for sleepover. So this is my bed, and this is for Billy. Woof woof. Yeah, this is for me. And I dad sleeping in the floor beside Billy. Yup. And Switch 1 and Grookey and Switch 2 and Spragatito sleeping in the blue rug. Oh yeah? Yeah. I'm starving. Let me get something to eat. Let's see in the fridge. Oh man, it has junk food. Oh, I want some chocolate. Yummy chocolate. Oh yeah. Huh? Hello? I got a new car. I got the Jeep. It's old. I gotta lock my car. Beep, beep. Alright, that's right. Alright, guys, now. Whoa, look at these fishies. Oh yeah, don't touch it. Yeah. Alright guys, do you wanna party? Let's go party. Yo! Time to party. Oh, we can have a party in the backyard. See, we have a pool party. Or a party in the backyard. Let's go drop hand puppet and come back here. Alright. Are you guys ready to drop the puppets? We're all ready. And even Casey and Monster Puppet. Yeah. Hand puppet. Yeah? Wait, you're not Hand Puppet. What you sound like? You! Hand Puppet, you're here! Yeah. Alright, bye you guys. Have a great day. And even you too. Bye. Bye, Casey and Monster Puppet and Hand Puppet. You, bye. Hand Puppet and Monster Puppet and Casey just played some PS3. Yeah, they're playing Minecraft. They're joining some Minecraft. Yeah, let's go. Wait a minute, that's not even their house. Yeah, it is. Huh? Hello? Oh man, the party's over. Well, just go home. Alright. Bye. Let's see what our friends do. Oh, did they ice bomb? Alright guys, we're home. Oh man, it's time to sit down. Bananas. Wait, is this water? Yeah. I need some chocolate. Yummy chocolate. Fridge. I gotta go to my garage. And use the washing machine. I gotta get my clothes ready. I'm gonna go to my room. Alright, here it is. Let's go. And there we go. And soup. Oh yeah. Let's go. A few moments later. Alright. Let's open it. Alright. Alright, y'all. Let's get in the car, guys. We're coming. Lilypad. But where are we going? We're gonna be going to the restaurant. Yeah. I want some yummy restaurant food. Yeah. We're gonna go to the restaurant. Oh wow, a horse. Alright, y'all. We're almost there. To Jet's the Sloth. Yeah, Jet's the Sloth. Restaurant. Yeah. Hi. Can I have some fries and some chicken nuggets and a toy? Sure. What kind? A cap and a figure. And a backpack for my work. Alright. And what else? I want some burger. Anything more? That's it. Alright, coming right up. Lilypad. She knows my name. You're right. A few moments later. Alright, Lilypad. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's go. I need some food. Yummy. Yummy. Oh, my stomach. We should go home. Video. Yeah, that's right. We should be right there. Oh, look at these. Oh, look, I see the airport. Yeah. Alright guys, our home, that should be right here. We live here. Yeah, we're gonna park here. Yeah, how do you know to go to the streets? Yeah. Look at these, it's a spider. What is the spider doing? What is the spider doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. Lock the door. The spider's coming. Please. Hi. You just a kid. Yeah, I become a spider. I've locked the door. Are you coming to my house? Yeah. Oh, is that the dog? Yeah. Wait, do you want to make a house? Whoa, why are you making money? Do you want to check out upstairs? I'm falling. This is an Halo gaming video. Would you join the channel? Would you join the channel? Do you want to join the family? You're a kid. Let's go in this video. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, just like and subscribe or visit kabluewee.com to watch our videos. Or follow us on Roblox. Search for EJ107 or Akayung EJ24. And enjoy the show! Check out our new house and check out our new car. And check out my dog. His name is Billy. Well, bye everyone. Take care. Let's see our fans skillful comment on this video.